Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Cloud of Champion. In today's video, we will see how to set up Terraform with Azure. So, firstly, what we need is first we need an Azure account, then we need a Visual Studio Code. So, I have already installed in my machine. So, this is Visual Studio Code and this is my Azure account with the free trial subscription. So, first I'll go to my Visual Studio Code. It's very simple. I'll be set up without any service principal credentials or anything. So first go to your Explorer, open folder, click open folder, then go to desktop. You can create any your folder, your directory anywhere. So I'll creating in desktop. So give it a name, Terraform demo. Then select it, select the folder. Once this is done, with this icon you can create new file, you can create new folder. Then this is a refresh button. So first create a new file, main.tf. Then create another file, variables.tf. Then one more, outputs.tf. Once this is done, let's close this one. In this video we will only work with main.tf. This outputs.tf and variables.tf will work in next video. So what I'll do, I'll configure all my code into this main.tf only. So first what you need to do is go to your browser, type Terraform Azure, and click the first link, docs overview. In the right hand side you will see a use provider button. Click here, copy this code, open your Visual Studio Code, paste it in main.tf file. So here first you will see it's throwing an error. It's because it's missing an one more line of code. So basically, if you go to a Terraform documentation page, if you scroll down, you will see features in the providers block. There is one more code, features, and then curly braces. Copy this code and then paste it here. So basically this you need because if you are not providing any configurations to your Azure, so what so if you're not providing any configurations to your Azure, you need this block of code, to skip these configurations. So once you provide this, the error will be gone. So once this is done, click terminal, click new terminal. Then first you will see your directory. First verify your directory, users abhi ij, and then OneDrive, desktop, Terraform demo. I'm assuming that you already have Terraform installed. So just type it Terraform init. This will initialize and gather all the modules and latest syntax providers and everything, Azure provider, all this in this folder. So once this is done, to connect your Visual Studio Code with your Azure account, as this is a PowerShell terminal, I can type connect Azure account. It will open a pop-up where you have to sign in to your Azure account. So you'll see I have received one pop-up from PowerShell. So fill in your details. I'll fill mine. Sign in with the account which has access to Azure. So I'm getting an error. Unable to acquire token for the with error, use multi-factor authentication to access tenant. Please rerun with additional parameters. So if you see this error, what you can do, you can what it's saying, just follow this. Like, type this one and then copy this one, paste it, and enter it. Once again, you will see a pop-up. Select your account, then verify your identity. I'll verify mine. I'll put the verification code. Once it's verified, you will see your Visual Studio Code is connected with your Azure account. Here you will see account Abhijit dot. This is my email ID. Then this is the subscription name, free trial. This is my tenant ID, and this is environment Azure. So now you can create any resources with the help of Terraform and Visual Studio Code. So what I'll do, I'll create a resource group, a simple resource group. I'll copy this, go here and paste here. So this is the resource block. This is the uh, Terraform syntax for this resource group. Give it your name like TF resource group. Name it. Maybe I'll say testing VG cloud. I'll give location as West US. So once this is done, save it with Control Save, and then go back to your terminal. Type Terraform validate. This will validate your syntax and your configuration. If everything is correct, it will give a message success. The configuration is valid. Then type Terraform plan. So basically, this is the life cycle of Terraform. You need to run Terraform init to initialize the modules, then validate your configuration, then plan. Plan will show you what this Terraform configuration will generate or create. So here I'm getting an error. Planning failed. Terraform encountered an error while generating this plan. Could not acquire the access token. So here I'm again getting an error. This is because still my account is not connected properly to my Azure account. Sorry, my Visual Studio is not properly connected to my Azure account. So here it's giving me suggestion to run this code. So what I'll do, I'll run this. I'll copy this one. This is an Azure CLI command. It's asking me to run this command to because to execute Terraform code into Azure. Azure accepts Azure CLI commands only. So what I'll do, I'll copy and paste here and enter it. It will open a browser. You have to again enter your once you enter your email ID, it will automatically get signed in because like Windows is like this browser, which is Edge browser. It is automatically connects to your account. So close this. Now you will see message no subscription form for. So I was able to resolve that error. So what I did is uh, I have executed this command. This command is like this is az login hyphen hyphen tenant. What it does is it directly points to login into your tenant. So you have to provide a tenant ID here. So from where you can get tenant ID is you can go to your subscription and then click on your subscription details. From here, if I don't think you will be able to see from here, go to settings. From settings, if you can see directory ID. So this is your tenant ID. Just copy it and then paste it here. Once you do this, enter, and then it will ask you to connect with your account. Click on it, continue, and then your account is connected. If you see this message, it means you are ready to run your Terraform scripts. So I'll clear this window. First I'll run Terraform as I already ran Terraform init and validate. Now I'll run Terraform plan. So here you can see I'll just make it bigger, and you can see Terraform use the selected products to generate the following execution plan. Resource actions are indicated with the following symbols. So plus means it will create, minus means it will destroy. So now it is plus, so it means it will create one resource. Here you will see what resource it will create. It will create a resource group. So this is the block of code which will get executed. In plan you will see 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. As you see this, you can type Terraform apply. So if you run only this command, you will get you will be asked to type yes or no if you really want to deploy. If you don't want that message, you can type Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen approve. So if you execute this command, it will not ask any step to ask yes or no. So I'll just click execute only Terraform apply. So you can see Terraform apply also shows what Terraform plan shows. Then it will ask you if you really want to deploy. Then type yes and type yes. Let's wait until it's get deployed. So you can see apply completed. Resources 1 added, 0 changed, 0 destroyed. So now I'll go back to my Azure portal. Go to resource groups. You can see one resource group is created, testing Abhijit Cloud. If you want to destroy it, you can run Terraform destroy. So this is how you can connect your Azure with Visual Studio Code and run without without providing any credentials into your Visual Studio Code. You can directly sign in. Okay, so that's it in this video. Uh, please please like, share, and do comment. What are your thoughts? Also, do let me know if you're facing any issues connecting Terraform with Azure, and what should be my next video on what topic. So yeah, till then, goodbye. See you in the next video.